Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Dolly, and today I'm going to show you how I do my brows. So stay tuned and I hope you enjoyed this brow tutorial. First thing first, I'm going to go ahead and take a spoolie brush to comb my brows upwards. Then I'm going to use this eyebrow gel from NYX. It's to control the hair so it stays in place. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply this to my brows. Today on the brows, I'm going to be using Anastasia Dipbrow Pomade in the medium brown shade. And I'm going to use an angle brush to draw the outline of my eyebrow. To outline your brows, you want to draw a line at the lower part of your eyebrows first. This will make it easier to fill in the eyebrows later. Once you are done with outlining your brows, you want to go ahead and fill in your brows. You're just going to be using small light strokes to fill in the brows. You want to make sure it resembles your natural shape of your brows. When you are done with filling in your brows, you are going to use your spoolie to brush your eyebrows gently, make it natural, and just use upward strokes when you are brushing in the brows. Here, look at these brows. They look so cute. Listen, a brow can either make or break you. I feel like those are the first thing people see, but no worries, we're gonna go ahead and clean these brows up in a second. To clean my brows up, I'm gonna use my MAC Studio Fix 24-Hour Smooth Wear Concealer. And I'm also taking a flat concealer brush to use to shape my eyebrows. take the concealer, apply underneath and above your eyebrows. Bring it as close as you can to the outline of your eyebrows. If you don't like the shape of the eyebrow when you're done applying it, you can always go back in with more concealer to adjust to the shape that you desire. So we want to go ahead and blend that concealer in. So take a blending brush and blend that concealer in really good. We don't want to see the outline of the concealer around the eyebrows. After you are done blending the concealer in and your brows need to be filled in a little bit, or you're just not feeling it, you can go ahead, go back into your dip brow and fill it in lightly, or you can take a brown eyeshadow and just go ahead and fill in the brows where you might have messed up when blending in the concealer. In this last step, you don't have to do it, but I usually set my brows. Sometimes it lasts a little longer, but I just use a translucent face powder and I go ahead and I just put a little dab on my eyebrows. Then you want to take a face powder brush and just wipe off all the excess powder that's just sitting on top of your brows, and you'll be all set. And there you have it, guys. This is how I do my brows. I hope you like them. They look very natural, nothing too dramatic. So just let me know what you think. Go ahead, comment below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. And thank you for watching.